What's up, guys? Yo! My name is Alberto, better known as Blackroll in the scene. Maybe you see me somewhere in Florida, GBB, these kind of battles. And today, in this hour, we will talk about mic technique. That is a topic that I think is really important for the beatbox battle and beatbox stage. Because if you have a good mic technique, you can translate better the combos, you can translate better the sounds, you can translate better your style as well. For the mic technique, I find three ways to adapt the microphone to the beatbox. For me, the first one, this is the most common that I use a lot, is the classic one, so the like straight. Now I will explain every mic technique, and what we will do after, I want to ask every one of you to hold the other microphone that's easier. We will you can choose one pattern, for example, I don't know, like this, or maybe a small piece of your routine, of your drop that you want to do. You can try with the microphone, and together we analyze what you can change to adapt better your style to the microphone. So this is the boring part where I explain the three kind of way to use the microphone, and then together we try to analyze your beatbox. So I think it's more interesting to talk together. Okay. So the first is just the classic one. Personally, when I use the straight mic technique, I close all the microphone and I try to reduce the volume that I have here. So I don't do beatbox like this. Like if I do the kick, for example, with this mic technique, that is the normal one, it's like this. If I hold as I do, so I close everything and I put all the mouth here, is yeah. So you understand the like I just do. You hear the sound is more punch, you know, and that's the basic one that I do. So if you do beatbox, my tips for this mic technique is to try to close the microphone as much as you can. So all the mouth, the space that you leave is the space of your mouth. So all the sound is in one point, no? So if I do the kick like this, the kick goes all around here. So it's you lose a lot of power in the sound, no? Because the sound goes all around here. But if you do, I'm sorry for the speaker, but you concentrate all the power in one spot, so the sound is more punchy. It's the same for example, when I do, I don't know, with this. You see that when I close, it's more full the sound, no? It's more, it sounds more full. So that's the first. If you have questions, just raise your. There you go.
I was curious if you have to let you must have to be against the mic, or you have to leave a little space.
It depends on the sound. For example, if I do the kick, I put the mouth straight, so it's super strong. If I do the fart bass like that, this sound, if I'm too close, the lips is not vibrating.
Yeah.
So I have to leave a little bit of space to make the sound coming out. But it depends. Like you have to adapt. Like it's you have to do what. Yeah. Yeah. You have to try a lot, because mic technique it's you have to adapt to your style. Like I can teach you, but you have to understand how you beatbox to the mic. So you have to try. If you have some questions, just raise your hand and why we talk. Okay.
Yep.